Hirevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, back out of the car. Still can't get it running, so we've resorted to towing it. So now we're just trying to get it up on the trailer. So, there we go. Alright guys, so we just unloaded the car off the trailer, got it back to the shop, and about to get it on the lift and then change the fuel filter under here. And, you know, it's another step along the way to see if that makes it do anything, because it's acting crazy. And maybe that makes it run, I don't know. All right guys, so underneath the car, this is your fuel filter. So we've just got a hose clamp strap there. You got two fittings on here, and we've got the little plastic keepers in there. I believe these keepers just pop out, and then this slides off, and the new filter may come with a keeper. I gotta go grab it. Just got it in, so we'll start taking that apart. So it is just these plastic retainers that holds that together. And you got a little fuel dribbling out of there. We'll let that drip for a minute, and then we'll unscrew that and slide her out. All right guys, we got the new filter, new clips. So we're gonna do the strap on this one and pop it out and pop a new one in. All right guys, the new filter is up in place, the clips on, and see what happens. Well, worth a shot, but that didn't work either. Will not stay running, and then it just dies. All right guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting Hirevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.